Why is it cold?
Buckled up. Yep.
Alright, let's go. It's 7:01! Why is this always happening to me? Alright, what? Here.
I thought I was gonna play the music.
Well, we gotta go. Alright, let's go to
Too bad,
school.
I'm gonna still play 'em.
Chad, Caleb, I'm gonna pick you guys up early today, okay?
What?
About 12 o'clock. You guys have a dentist appointment. Okay? Sissy?
I will let Mr. Starry know.
Sissy, Troy, you guys are gonna go ride the bus, okay? Mama or Papa will pick you guys up.
Probably it might be both of them in Mama's car.
Probably. So, you guys are gonna be with Mama and Papa for a little bit.
Yeah.
My little soda pop.
Chad, did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said? I said I will pick you guys up at 12 o'clock.
Look at the birdie.
Because you guys' lunch is at 2:30.
Lunch?
Yeah, after lunch, I will pick you guys up.
Our lunch isn't at 2:30.
After lunch. What time is you guys' lunch?
11:30.
No, 11:30 to 12. So that's why I'm picking you guys up early. Jeez.
How much you know? I know that someone is a lot to be dead. You're not a god. You can't just bring people back from the dead.
Huh?
Eggs are burnt.
Your legs is burnt.
Yes.
What do you mean?
They're hot.
Wipe your nose. Alright. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Mwah, love you.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. Close the door, huy. Oh. Alright, love you guys. Love you, sissy. Love you, Troy, Caleb. Kuya. Love you. Ay, nako. Yes, meron silang appointment, guys. At 2:30 ang kanilang dentist appointment. Bagal ng Troy boy ko. So, let's go. Ay, mga to. Bakit lumalagpas sila sa daan? Nakakainis tong mga tao na to. Ay, nako. Alright, let's go home. And drink coffee, shower, and then mag-ready para pick upin sila ng 12 o'clock. Kasi medyo malayo pa yung ating babiyahiin papunta sa kanilang dentist. So, next year guys, iba na yung dentist na pupuntahan nila kasi yung dentist ngayon hindi na nila tinatanggap yung insurance namin. So, magbabayad kami ng out of pocket. So, magbabayad kami. And, yeah, yun lang yung pinaka-hard kapag hindi na nila tinatanggap yung insurance mo. And then, some of dito sa lugar namin dito is hindi na nila tinatanggap yung insurance ng dental. Kaya nahihirapan ako na hanapan sila ng dentist. Pero buti na lang kasi lumipat ako ng doktor. So hindi na ako sa dati. Ngayon iba na yung doctor ko. So kung saan ako nagpapa-check up ngayon na meron din pala silang dentist and tinatanggap nila yung insurance namin. So ang issue lang is next year pa yung available. Pero nakapag-appointment na naman na ako sa kanila and yun nga lang, next year pa yung yung kanilang appointment dahil yun na lang daw ang available kasi nga sobrang busy daw sila. So pero okay lang, at least diba nakapag-appointment na ako sa kanila. And kung hindi lang kailangan ni Kuya Chad ng dentist itong papuntang middle school niya ng 6th grade, hindi ko naman sila dadalahin. Ihintayin ko na lang sana next year. Kaso kailangan ng dentist form para sa kanyang bagong school. Kaya yun, kaya magbabayad na lang talaga. No choice. Kaya nakakaloka lang kasi magbabayad tayo. So anyways, so yun ang ating agenda today. We're gonna go to the dentist. Dito kasi guys, talaga importante yung yung dentist kasi inaano din sa pag nagpapa-check up ka, tinatanong din kung kailan yung last nagpunta ka ng dentist, ganon. Kaya ako medyo matagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nagpupunta ng dentist. So kailangan ko na ulit bumalik. Pag magpapa-appointment ka, ako 3 to 6 months bago ka makakuha ng appointment. But anyways, let's go home. Hopefully nasa bahay pa si Daddy. Daddy! Going to work. Huh? You going to your appointment?
Yeah.
Appointment!
Well, it's no appointment. I just got to show up whenever.
Oh, okay.
So it's easier for me to just go on the way to work. So,
Alright. I didn't give you a kiss.
I know you didn't give me a kiss.
Hold on.
In the shower, you didn't give me a kiss. Nothing.
Well, we gotta go! It's not gonna show. Ouch. I step on my
Hold on. It's wet. Open the door.
oh.
Yeah, I saw the keys laying there, so.
Yeah.
All right, love you.
Love you.
I guess it could be a small list.
Small list.
Yeah, a small list. We don't need them. We shouldn't need too much right now.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. I don't know why I'm putting my seatbelt on.
What?
I said I don't know why I'm putting my seatbelt back
I don't
on.
know why either.
Alright, love you.
I'm going to get gas. I'm going to get gas tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, guys. Dala ko buong bahay namin. Charot. Dahil, kasama natin yung 4 na bata. Dahil, yung lola nila, hindi sila yung 2 bulilit, hindi sila masusundo sa, ay, kalabaw ng bahay nyo. Ba yan? Takbo lang. So hindi sila natumba kayo guys. So hindi sila masusundo ng kanilang lola. Wait, tala ko ba cellphone ko? Okay. Cellphone ko. Okay. Tala natin ang ating cellphone. So anyways, hindi sila masusundo ng kanilang lola kasi umalis sila And hindi ko rin kasi nasabi kagabi na may dentist si Kuya Chad tsaka si Kuya Caleb today. So, ayun. Hindi na masusundo. So, ngayon, lalagay muna tayo ng gas. Para dire-diretso na tayo kasi mahaba-haba yung ating lalakbayin kasi iikot tayo dahil nga dito sa may exit namin is ginagawa. So walang ano ba to? So wala tayong pwedeng pag-exitan. Kundi yun lang. Kaya ay napa, ang buhay nga naman. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung magkano yung gas natin pag natapos na kasi ipo-full tank natin siya ngayon para hindi na tayo mag-gas pa ng mga ilang araw. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. My goodness. Uy, hindi ka pa titigil. 46. 47, 48, oh my god. Nasa 51. Oh my gosh. Gawin natin 452. Sumibot na. Oh my god. Guys. Yes. $52. And normally nakukuha ko lang naman yung gas ko na yan. Ano lang nasa 45 ganun, but this time hindi. At nakita nyo naman $52. I-ano nyo yan sa pesos, i-convert nyo yan. Dahil hindi ako nagko-convert kasi lalo tayong mapapahamak kapag nag-convert tayo ng pera sa pesos. Alright, let's go. Sunduin na natin ang mga bagyans. Ay! Buang naman itong flash, itong light na to. Ang bilis Alright, let's go and pick up my kids. So guys, nandito na ako sa school. And 11:56. So maghintay na lang tayo ng few more minutes kasi para alam mo na, nasa loob na sila ng mga classroom nila para hindi tayo makita ng mga kaklase nila. Oh my gosh, meron nagaan yung noo ko kung makikita nyo. Nagbabako-bako. Nagbabalat yung aking noo. Oh, excuse me. Medyo hindi maganda yung weather today guys. Tayo ngayon ng tag na to, uulan yung weather natin ngayon. Kaya medyo ano tayo, mag-ingat. Ay, hindi mamakita sa inyo yung weather kasi walang signal dito sa school. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga dala ko na ano, para kasi yung dalawang malaki kasi, yung dalawang boys is kala-lunch lang nila. But I don't know, baka mamaya magutom sila or anything. So yung dalawa, nag-lunch na sila like 30 minutes ago. So may dala ko nitong Doritos, itong Pringles, tapos itong twisted na chips, tapos itong binuksan na to ni Caleb eh. So baka kainin niya to. Itong scoop, ayan. Tapos dala ko din syempre yung mga iPad nila, lalo na yung dalawa kasi ayaw ko na manggulo sila habang nililinisan yung ipin ng dalawang kuya. Kaya ayun. So punta na tayo, maglakad na tayo para habang ano Sissy, did you see my pants? Did you see your pants? Twinning. Oh, it's okay. Ayan, nakuha na natin sila. Ang gulo. Don't run, girl. Ang gulo nila. And what about you, sir? Are you not happy I pick you up early?
Hey, Mom.
Hey, yes. Ay, not there. You two.
Do you have
Over
an
here.
iPad?
Yes.
Can I tell you something?
Huh?
Can I tell you something?
What? Hurry, because it's about to rain. You can tell me that later.
Where's that? Yeah, work.
Daddy's working. Okay. Ayan. Can you wait?
Alright.
iPad agad eh.
They're hungry for their iPads.
Huh? Give me her glasses. Please don't bend it.
Please don't bend
Here you go.
Get his over there.
Linka, you have your phone.
Troy, you guys decided to go outside and it's about to rain, huh?
Alright,
Well,
Gil.
at least I did.
You can put your water bottle
Outside.
here.
Still.
Might be a bit hard to put
I
in.
wanted
but-
to put
Alright, here. Hannah, don't touch the lens. There you go.
Alright. Sissy, don't touch the lens.
It's about to rain, you guys. Alright, let's go to the dentist.
Alright. A sleeping bubble.
Alright, let's go to the
Mom, can you
dentist.
like roll the sunroof back? Like not fully open, it's just like
No,
to
we're
where
not
the
doing
glass
that.
shows.
No, we're not doing that.
do it where the glass shows. Then it's fun.
Alright, let's go. Are you guys happy you guys got out early today? And maybe again tomorrow. Because we're getting a
No,
haircut.
they'll miss Jim.
Oh, you will be fine.
I'm missing you that by tomorrow.
You will be fine.
I'm not even
Ayan guys, nandito kami sa McDonald's. Magla-lunch kami with Daddy.
Okay. Good job. That's Daddy's seat.
I know, he's gonna sit there for now.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh my gosh, you cannot.
I get to
You guys are being loud.
This is about week or.
You guys are being loud. Lunch with Daddy. Good? How's your wrap? Is it good?
We can make our own one at home.
Yeah, we can.
Mom, they do me and Troy.
Okay. Yep,
So,
you're
can
eating.
you go get napkins?
Yeah.
They're
So, ayan, dito na tayo, guys. Din-wrap off na namin si Daddy sa work. No!
Water?
No! I have some coins, I think. Hold on. Alright. Alright, go. Alright. Alright. No, you don't say what you wish for.
Because that was true. Is that the gun?
Yes. That's your dentist. Touchdown. Oops.
Told you to brush your teeth really good.
I do. That's pretty good. There's just a little bit of little sugar bugs.
Mga pwesto nila. Ayun si Kuya. Mga pa. Kung wala yung iPad, naku po, ewan na lang. Ayun si Troy. Ayan, ito si Kuya Caleb. Hi. You okay? Okay. Oh, tignan nyo guys. Oh, may mga nauwi. Sisi, let me see. Show me what you got. Hindi naman siya nag-dentist ngayon. May mga ano sila. Giveaway. Here, give me your iPad. Wait. Let me see what you got. Caleb, ha? Wait right there. Do not be going to the road. A gun. Go. Go. Watch. Come on. Seriously, Chad. It's not raining.
Remember? I tried pushing it.
Yeah. All right, come on. Go. Go. Walk. Watch where you walking. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's raining. Come on. You don't need it. Come on. All right, guys. We're going home. Let's go home.
Hey guys, look, let's out.
Well, you two have no cavities, so protect your teeth.
Guys, look at this.
All right, Troy and Sissy, yours is next.
That's nice.
Joy, Sissy, your appointment is next in November, okay? That's your dentist appointment.
Mom, I'm a big girl. I'm not gonna be scared.
Sobrang hirap, guys, dahil lalo na kapag nakaseparate ng room. Hiwalay sila ng room. So, paano tayo? Pabalik-balik tayo. Oh my gosh, nakakaloka. Nakakaloka.
Legendary?
You guys got everything?
Yes, we got everything.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Hulog na naman kayo.
Yo, that's insane.
Hi guys, we're going home. Kasi nahuhulog na kayo eh. So, let's go home.
Oh,
Alright, let's go home.
guys, bahay na kami. Ngayon, gumagawa na ng homework ang mga kiddos.
Wala ko dyan ko kaya.
They are done with their homework. Remember, Daddy checked it last night.
Mom,
Sissy.
this is not fitting.
What? Let me see.
This is not fitting.
Well, because probably it's not go there.
You can put it anywhere. I did find it.
That's fine. Just
That's home.
stick it in there.
I'm 7, Mom.
Are you gonna... Sissy, why don't you get your own color over there? Just go get your own crayon. Go get a crayon box. There you go. Okay, Sissy. No choice iPad on the floor. You're sitting on it. There you go. Thank you. Ayan. Ang mga batang, is that 2 words? What's that?
It's a bracelet.
Bracelet. Okay. What about the other one? What's the other one?
It's a clipboard.
How many words is that?
Clipboard.
Okay.
Big.
You got pink?
Yes.
Okay. So, si Natalia, naggagawa siya ng name niya. Kina-color niya yung kanyang name. And then, iti-trace niya. So, guys, ipaparinig daw sa inyo ni Troy ang kanyang, reading book.
Vic is hot. Vic is on the deck. Vic is hot.
Ito naman tong nagbabasa na to.
Vic drops his socks on the deck. Vic has a nap. A dog snags a sock. Vic gets up and runs to get his sock.
Ay, sis Maria.
Vic bumps into Cass. Vic yells, That is my sock! Okay, now I need to... Cass picks
It's right here.
a
Pencil's
slim
right there.
dog. That pink sock? Cass asks,
Careful.
Not that sock, Vic tells Cass. That red sock. Cass lifts up a black dog. That red sock? Cass asks. My sock is the sock that has dots on it, Vic tells Cass. Cass spins fast and grabs the fat dog.
Do what?
The dog that has the sock runs past Cass. Vic yells, "Was that fat dog?" Cass
Come on.
spins fast and grabs the fat dog. Vic yells, "Yes." Vic gets his sock back. Cass hugs the fat dog.
Yes.
Mom, look right here. Look right here.
Uh-huh.
Boo.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, what was the title of your book?
A sock that has dots.
Okay, so ito yung binabasa niya, guys, every day. Ayan. So this is for Thursday na. Dahil Friday na bukas. Stop! So ito na yung homework ni Natalia, guys. Good job, girl. Tignan niyo yung writing niya. As in, napaka na ng writing niya, ate girl, oh. Oh, diba? So guys, tulog ng mga bagets. Pinatulog ko na sila. Dahil ang gugulo nila as in. So, hindi naman sila kumain talaga. Kasi nga, anong oras na rin kami nun kumain. So, pero si Natalia at si Troy nagpaluto sila ng macaroni and cheese. Yung nasa cup. So, ayun. Kaya, ayun. 9 o'clock na guys. So, 30 minutes na silang nakakatulog. Pero anyways, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung nakuha nila sa dentist. So, ito siya nakalagay sa bag na ganyan. Tapos, may kasamang toothbrush, toothpaste, tapos, toothpick. Tama ba yun? Floss pala. Toothpick. Tapos, may bubbles na kasama. And then, merong chalk na kasama. And then, Play-Doh. Yan, Play-Doh siya. Tapos, may kasama siyang, baril ata yun. Yung water gun. Yun. Yun ang kasama niya. So, hindi naman dapat mabibigyan ng ganitong bag yung dalawang bata. Kasi hindi naman sila na-check today. Pero dahil sila na baka mamaya may mag-away sa sasakyan kasi yung dalawa meron, yung dalawa wala. So sabi nila, bibigyan na lang namin sila ng bag para hindi daw ako maana sa sasakyan na may nag-aaway, sabi nila. Kano yung binayaran natin today sa dentist na walang insurance? So, nakalagay dun sa papel is 800 something. Dun sa papel kay Chad lang yun Tapos kay Caleb 640 ata yun. So syempre ako naman medyo nai-stress ako kasi hindi ko alam paano ko babayaran yun, diba? So sabi ng asawa ko, wag kang ganyan, sabi niyang ganon. Hintayin mo na lang na matapos yan para pag nandudong ka na at magtanong ka kung magkano yung babayaran mo, ganyan-ganyan siya. Sabi ko, okay, gumagano-gano ako. Kasi talagang stress ako kasi wala akong ganong kalaking perang pambayad, no? So, ayun, yung tapos na. So, okay yung mga ipin nila, walang cavities, ganyan. And, nakuha ko din yung papel ni Chad para sa kanyang bagong school, sa August. And then, yun na, so sinabi na sa akin kung magkano, ganyan-ganyan. So, para sa kanilang dalawa is 360 ata yun. So, 360. So, nagsabi ako, so, babayaran ko ba yun ngayon? Kasi syempre, wala akong perang ganang kalaki ngayon, 360, di ba? So, sabi ko, pwede ko bang bayaran ng kalahati? Sabi ko. Tapos, sabi niya, yes, pwede natin gawin yan, sabi niya. Pero, ngayon lang, kasi, kaya naman daw lumaki yung bill ko kasi nga dahil in x-ray ng full x-ray yung ipin nilang dalawa kaya lalong malaki yung binayaran ko. So ayun, niya ako 175. Syempre malaki pa din yun pero sige, sabi ko okay na yun 175 kaysa naman sa 360. So ayun. Pero syempre babayaran pa din natin yung balance. Kailangan natin bayaran yung balance. Kasi sa next na magkakaroon ng appointment, si Troy at saka si Natalia sa November naman sila. Tapos next year, hindi na sila pupunta kung saan tayo nagpunta kaganina. Ibang doktor na yung pupuntahan nila kasi yung bagong pupuntahan nilang doktor is yun tinatanggap talaga yung insurance namin. Ang problema nga lang, hindi pa sila available until June next year. O, 'di ba? So, kailangan natin magtiis, magbayad talaga kasi wala talagang ibang tumatanggap ng insurance, ng dental insurance namin. Yung next year, yun lang yung tumatanggap. So, wala. Yun lang talaga yung natin is magbayad lang talaga tayo buwan-buwan. Para, nakakaloka, diba? Kasi dito talaga sa Amerika, guys, kailangan mo magpa-dentist talaga kasi required yun. So, yeah. But anyways, so yun, gusto ko lang maano ninyo yung magkano yung binayaran natin today. And yeah. Sobrang nakaka-stress. But anyways, So, thank you guys sa pagsama sa amin today. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Good night!